Ciao everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a grand Italian food tour, sampling delicious dishes from the bright cuisine in whole Italy. Yes, from north to south. Because in Italy, every region has its own delicious secret just waiting to be discovered. Why is Italian food so incredible, you wonder? Maybe it's the fresh ingredients like tomatoes plucked straight off the vine, basil that smell like pure summer, and cheese so fresh you'll want to name your firstborn mozzarella. I think it's the simple fact that Italians put their heart and soul into every dish. In Italy, food isn't just fuel, it's art, it's tradition, and most importantly, it's made with amore. Now, grab your forks, sharpen your senses, and let's embark in our epic Italian food tour. I promise you, there will be lots of carbs. Lots of them. Our first stop is Trattoria Boboli in Florence, the frame of the Renaissance. We had some amazing dishes to start our journey in such a cozy restaurant. Fun fact, Florence is often credited as the birthplace of gelato back in the 16th century. So, if you are a gelatoholic, this city is basically your spiritual home. So we're about to eat and we just found this Trattoria Boboli. We saw a lot of people lined up outside, so let's go and try it. Grazie. Grazie.
Buona giornata, grazie mille.
We had the bread.
There you go. I was gonna serve it to you.
No, thank you, thank you.
And I'm right over here holding the bread.
So we came here to eat in Florence. I had something local. I had the cacio e pepe. Just like that video in Instagram, the cacio e pepe.
Everyone must try this cacio e pepe.
We had the salad. Tiara had the carbonara, and Monika had the steak.
Nom nom nom.
Traveling is a hungry business, my dear friends. So, while traveling around Venice, we grabbed quick sandwiches at the train station. They were simple, sure, but hey, when in Italy, even a simple sandwich can turn into a life-changing experience. Mamma mia! Also, Monika have indulged in a cannoli, crunchy outside, creamy ricotta inside, a perfect dessert daydream. So, this is the meal for today. We're just gonna start with something small here. As if you wanna walk around in Venice, if you wanna come for a very quick bite, I don't wanna spend a lot of time on places, you can come here at the train station. We have amazing paninis. Check this out, the size, guys.
Amazing means amazing. 10 out of 10. And
Yeah.
also we want to try a lot of Italian food. So yeah, so we want to try like little by little by little until we're full.
Yeah, so for all this order, 2 coffees, the Coke, and the 2 sandwich, and this sweet, we pay a total of 23 euros here in the train station. So you don't have to go and buy anything fancy if you don't want to spend lots of time. Venice is about eating and walking fast, so yeah, this is why we came here.
So I just got myself a cannoli with pistachio. It's not the traditional shape. Tiara has the original one. Cheers. I'll try my cannoli with pistachio. The pistachio cream is so good.
Drum roll, please. L'Antica Pizzeria di Michele in Salerno. Here, I had the ultimate behind-the-scenes experience, straight in the kitchen, watching them craft authentic Napolitan pizza. Thin, airy crust, San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella that's basically its own love language. It was pizza masterclass. Fun fact, Napolitan pizza is so iconic that UNESCO actually put it on its intangible cultural heritage list. That's right, pizza is basically a global treasure. Many of you wonder how pizza was invented or where it was invented. Yeah, it was invented in Naples. However, the only pizzeria that keeps the original style is Antica Michele. So today we're gonna eat here and let's check this out. If you heard about the place where pizza was invented, it's called Antica Pizzeria di Michele. We're here in Salerno. We know it's not the original one, however, it's the same pizza, the same quality of pizza, right? The pizza that was invented in Napoli.
Yes.
We want to share our experience with you. We have the restaurant with some pictures, and the menu and everything has the name of Michele. This. We're gonna take it for a tour. Permesso.
Un signore
Ciao,
è un food
ciao.
blogger.
Sì, è una Melford.
One shot.
Perfetto, grazie mille. And Luis.
And Louis.
Yeah, wow. VIP,
Grazie.
VIP treat. Grazie mille. Grazie. Tiara? Okay, so you need to know something. I brought Tiara to one Italian pizzeria in Costa Rica when she was only 3. And since then, I think Tiara grew love for Italian pizza. How is it? Good?
Pizza is amazing.
You see? How is it? It's good. It's good, guys. This is so cheap in here, guys. This is
So good.
when simplicity. You know, maybe when you see the essence of how pizza was made, you know, this tradition go from family to family. Now you can see how maybe the simplest things in life taste better. Moving further south to the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, we stop by Ristorante La Taverna di Maaniello. Think fresh seafood, lemon-infused dishes, and views that would make a postcard jealous. Amalfi lemons are legendary, so big that you might mistake them for mini watermelons. Trust me, they're that huge. And speaking of lemons, when you're in Amalfi, you can't skip the lemon sorbet at Sporta Marina. It's like tasting pure sunshine in a cup. So we came to this nice restaurant right here in the middle of the main street here in Amalfi, right? We got our Aperol Spritz. Cheers.
Cheers.
And
Very Italian, very classy.
yes, and we'll share the food once it comes. Salute.
Hola signorina qua. No, non devo.
We got our food. Monika got her gnocchi.
With pistachio cream and salmon. It sounds delicious.
Tiara got the lasagna. It looks delicious. And I got this. It's called frutti di mare. Nom nom. This is the lemon sorbet. It's massive. So Monika is getting hers. Right there. I got it because of Monika. You can see how happy she is.
I'm very happy. So my happiness cost only 10 euro.
Next, we venture through the rolling hills of Tuscany to Caffe di Luca. Imagine the perfect cappuccino foam that's so fluffy you want to nap on it, and pastries that vanish the moment they hit your plate. If you think you don't have room for dessert, Italy has a way of proving you very wrong.
So we stopped in a very local bar slash mini market, a cafe, and we ordered 2 latte macchiatos together with something sweet. This is sweet with ricotta and
It's pastry.
pastry with ricotta and pieces of chocolate, and also a little tiny sandwich with crudo.
Yes. So we want to show you around, guys. So it's just in the middle of Tuscany, in the drive. So obviously you see all these beautiful trees, cars are parked there, and let me show you right here. Maybe you can see from here. You have all that cornfield, the houses over there. It's really amazing. I said to Monika, let's just stop there quick for a quick coffee, and it's just so Italian, you know, the latte macchiato.
Also, I love enjoying places just like a local would. It's like you get like the full experience, and that is something that I really like.
Yeah. So guess what, guys? Even here, this is extremely cheap. Like each of these one is €1, that one is €1, and the coffees are €1 as well. So we got all together €6 on this. A short hop away in Vietri sul Mare, we hit up Rififi for a fried calzone that could make even the strictest diet wave a white flag. Crispy on the outside, slushy on the inside. This is comfort food at finest. Who needs apps when you can have calzone? Okay, so we saw this pizzeria right there that is local, and a lot of people were sitting there. Lots of locals were there.
Something? We actually wanted to eat a pizza in like a proper restaurant, like the tourists that we are. But yeah, we did see a very local place. And look, they have this. What's the name of this?
It's
like
a fried calzone.
Yeah, fried calzone. And it was only €1.50.
Yes.
And we were so happy because we've been spending so much on food. And this is like
Besides
I don't know, just
that,
let me try it.
try.
Okay.
It's like an empanada, but Italian.
First of all, I love the dough. Now the cheese is too far, but the dough is so good.
Besides that, we got this. This is potato croquettes. Guys, you need to try this. No.
Okay.
And the last one, this is an arancini. It's a rice bowl, risotto bowl. They fry it. And the drinks. Guys, look. We got 3 drinks. We got 2 calzone, the arancini, and the croquettes. How much did we pay, Monika?
We paid €10.50.
Unbelievable.
So far, our cheapest meal in Italy.
Yeah, so far our cheapest meal in Italy, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy, guys. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. Time to go down to Taormina in Sicily, where Pizzeria Villa Zuccatto served us a slice of pure pizza bliss, Sicilian style. Pro tip: wearing stretchy pants in Italy should be a mandatory requirement, especially with so many pizza stops. No regrets. We're going to eat in Pizzeria Villa Zuccatto.
I cannot wait because they do this pizza with pistachio cream, and I cannot wait to try it.
And this is our lovely table, our lovely group. Food start coming on the table. Monika got her pizza already.
It's with buffalo ham and pistachio bread.
This is mine.
Allergico a cosa? E ci sono le e c'è il cacao.
Man, I don't understand why they don't cut it.
How's your pizza?
I have no words.
How's your pizza?
There's some pizza.
This is mine. I have to try. I'll be the judge of that. I'll be if it's good or not. So it's falling apart, the cheese. It's so good. And last, but certainly no least, Bam Bar in Taormina, where many claim they have the best granita in all Italy. After a single spoonful, I was ready to sign my life away in exchange for unlimited refills. It's that heavenly smooth, refreshing, and bursting with real fruit flavor. These are the flavors.
This is the menu.
Yes.
Have you seen the cooler menu?
It's on the wall. Ceramic. Bam Bar. Love it. With all the flavors. And sunflowers.
Wow. English sausage comic therapy after assisting I posted another little belly down. It's just like just use that and pepper from the fun next. It's my man like to the ask. Hello, please. Splashing.
So we made it to the restaurant. We got a table for 8. Well, actually, we got 2 tables. They went above and beyond. They got an extra umbrella. Then we had the other one. Look how beautiful the table. Look, these people here at the start of Italy, they take pride in their lemons. Look at this.
Double. It's like stop. White chocolate, Nutella with
Right here. Yeah, there you go. This is what real men eat.
the strawberry with grazie capo. Gesù Giuseppe Maria Benedictino.
So this is the way they eat the granita here in Taormina, in Messina. It was a good option, huh? So you get the brioche, all right? That one, and you get the top.
If you give this,
Once you get the top, you dip the top right here in the cream,
yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Yes, dip it, and then it's so good.
I'll tell you another story.
Yeah.
If you give this to somebody, that means you love them very much. This is the best part of the granita.
Why you didn't tell me?
Brioche, sorry. Because I'm eating it.
And there you have it, amici, a culinary journey through Italy's north to south, from Tuscany's pastas and gelato to the Amalfi Coast seafood delights, from Venice's sweet streets to Sicily's glorious granita. Italian food is the ultimate love letter to fresh ingredients and time-honored traditions. If you enjoyed this delicious trip, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow foodies. As they say in Italy, la vita è a combinazione di magia e pasta. Life is a combination of magic and pasta. Thank you so much for watching. This is it for today, and ciao for now.